Today we'll learn 1 to 10 numbers in abacus bead. In abacus bead we'll always start from the 8th column because the first column is used for higher values. This is how we represent number 1 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 2 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 3 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 4 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 5 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 6 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 7 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 8 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 9 in abacus bead. This is how we represent number 10 in abacus bead. Thank you friends.